Refined designs feel effortless because every frame is placed with intention. Today, how to create refined frame compositions. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a main frame and position it slightly off-center. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting it for a clean composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft layered border. Select the background and apply a neutral or very light tone. Add subtle line elements or minimal shapes with low opacity for detail. Use position tools to align everything precisely. Add simple text using a clean font. This refined composition